Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about a very simple process that you can use to start making money online, selling digital products within the next 24 hours or less, okay? So without any time wasting, let's get right into it. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to need to pick a niche. Now, a lot of people start businesses selling random products and hoping for the best, and then they wonder why they are not making any money. It's because you don't have a niche. What is your niche? Your niche is that big problem that you are going to be solving for a specific group of people. Now, when it comes to making money online, these are the three big profitable niches. We have health, wealth, and relationships, and also things like, self-improvement, self-care, and all that good stuff, which kind of falls under health as well. Okay. So when it comes to health, there's so many different niches that you can tap into. You don't want to go out there and just start a health business. That's very broad and very generic, and it's not really speaking, solving a specific problem for a specific group of people. Now, what you could do is you could decide to say, okay, I help new moms, right? Lose weight, and weight loss now becomes the problem that you're solving for a new mom, right? You could think about things like gut health. I'm helping professionals or corporate women, improve their gut health. You could look into things like postpartum, for example, right? Helping new moms heal from postpartum. That all falls under the health niche. Thinking about things like anxiety, for example, intermittent fasting, eczema, mental health, ADHD. These are all great examples of niches that you can tap into under the health niche. Now we have wealth. Wealth is another big niche right there. Make money online is a niche that falls under the wealth niche, right? You could look into things like budgeting. If you're great with money and just, keeping track of finances, you could look into helping families, budget, right? That's a big problem right there that you are solving under the wealth niche. Credit repair is another great example of the wealth niche. People need access to credit to buy houses, cars, phones, and literally everything that we consume today needs some form of credit. Relationship is another great one. You could look into things like offering people dating advice, helping people co-parent better, heal from breakups, saving marriages, long distance relationships, like so many different niches that you can tap into under this key niches. So the first thing you want to do is pick a niche, okay? Once you have a niche, you need to find a product to sell, right? Because that's how you're going to be making money. If you don't have a product to sell, you are not going to make any money. Now, contrary to the traditional way of making money online, where you needed to go out there and find a wholesale vendor, buy products in bulk, and then try and resell it to someone else, there's now an easier way to do it. Thanks to digital products, right? You don't need to go out there and buy a ton of inventory in bulk, and your profit margins are going to be much, much higher than trying to sell a physical product. And it's just low risk. You never run out of stock, and you can sell to an unlimited amount of people from anywhere in the world. Okay, so no more stressing over we don't ship to Europe, we don't ship to Australia, we don't ship to Africa. Like you could literally sell to anyone in any part of the world as long as they have access to the internet and they can pay for transactions online. That's the power of digital products. Now, there's two ways you can get started with selling digital products, guys. You can either go out there and create your digital products from scratch yourself, or you can just gain access to ready to sell digital products. And the best platform to use, guys, is digitalworldflippers.com to source your digital products. So, Digital World Flippers is a platform where you can source ready to sell digital products. You don't have to go out there trying to create your own digital product from scratch, doing the chat GPTs and the Canva and all that stress that anybody got time for. Okay. This is 2025. We should not be wasting time creating digital products when we can just buy ready to sell digital products. And there's so many niches here that you can tap into, guys. Business, digital marketing, health, diet, beauty, skincare, motherhood, self-help. So many different niches that you can tap into, okay? And it's so easy to get started, guys. You just find a product in the niche of your choice, okay? We talked about niches in the previous step. Find a product in the niche of your choice, right? You can go ahead and sell it as it is, or if you wanted to make changes, you can actually rebrand it. You can put your name as the author, you can change the covers depending on what you want to do. But either way, the products are ready to sell. And then you start making money, guys. Once you list that product for sale, you can actually go out there and start making 100% profits. Okay. It is your product to resell as many times as you wish. Okay. And here's the beauty about digital world flippers. Unlike a lot of PLR products that you are going to be buying out there, I'm talking like low quality PLR products that even you don't feel comfortable reselling because it just doesn't offer any value. At Digital World Flippers, you are getting access to high quality PLR products. These are highly researched products. Okay, what do I mean by that? All these products that are being sold here are based on demand in the market. So the research has already been done for you, which means that if you went ahead and you sold any of those products here, You already have an audience to sell to. There's already a big market out here that is hungry to buy those products. Okay. And all you're doing is just selling them a solution to their problem. So you can be rest assured that whatever digital products you are purchasing here are guaranteed to sell and make you money because they solve big problems for people. Okay. And you just have to follow the steps and the strategies to go out there and get those customers. Look at this one, the UGC content creator. This one is an amazing one because you can actually buy this ebook right here, guys. $12. You have lifetime access to that product. You can resell it as many times as you wish. Okay. You can make changes. It's a PLR, which means you have the rights to go and edit. You can edit the cover. You can put your name as the author if you wanted to do that, right? You're going to gain access to all the raw files to make those changes as you please. And then you can go ahead, guys, and resell this ebook right here to people on social media. Like there's a market right here on Instagram, TikTok, people who have very small accounts. You could be targeting people with very small accounts and just helping them make money, right? With a small social media account, because a lot of people have small followings on social media and they don't know that they can actually make money by just becoming a UGC content creator. You don't need to have a lot of followers to do this because brands are looking for people who just have a good eye for creating content. They're just looking for people to create content. That's all you're doing. They're not expecting you to go out there and bring in the sales, right? They just want you to create the content. So this is a product that you could be selling and targeting smaller accounts, people who are just starting, or even larger accounts that are looking for ways to monetize even further. You could be like, there's a big market for this product right here, right? Want to turn your social media account into money? Here is a guide that can help you. You send them to the link in your bio, they buy this product, guys, and then you make money. It's honestly that simple. And the good news is you do not even have to create this product from scratch yourself. Courses, guys. The beauty about courses is the fact that because it is a course, it's more in depth, which means you can charge a higher price for a course. But these are courses that have already been created for you, and you can just buy any of those courses in a niche of your choice, and then you can actually just resell it at your own higher price. Okay, it's honestly that simple. You don't have to create a course from scratch. And if you already have a business right now, you can even offer this as an upsell to your existing customers. So it is a great way to make money, extra income, right? Just doing what you already do right now. So this is not only great for beginners just looking to make money online, it's also great for existing business owners who are looking to scale their business, offer their customers more options without burnout, because guess what? You can automate the entire thing. Okay. So head over to digitalwealthflippers.com. Okay. I really want you guys to be following this through as we go along. Get a digital product in the niche of your choice, and then we are going to move on to the next step. Okay. So now you have the digital product ready to sell. We are going to be using this platform called gumroad.com to list our products for sale. Now, I personally don't use this platform because I already have a website where I sell my products. But if you're just getting started, I recommend that you check out gumroad.com. Okay. It's free to get started. That's one thing I love about it. Unlike StanStore or Shopify, where you have to pay a monthly fee, you can start with Gumroad for free, and you're only paying them when you make a sale. So they deduct a percentage, from your sale, which is not really substantial. Okay. So I'm just going to go to the dashboard. This is a dummy Gumroad account that I've got right here. I'm just going to show you guys how easy it is to list your digital product for sale. Okay. So go to product section right here. Okay. Bear in mind, when you buy this product, you are going to receive the raw file. So the ebook covers and all that stuff that you need to go and start selling these ebooks. Oh, and I'm going to click on new product because I want to sell a new product. Then I'm just going to go ahead and put that. I'm just going to put that ebook and I'm going to write downloadable. Okay. It's just a great way for people to understand exactly what they're purchasing. They need to know that they're not buying an actual real book. They just, well, it is a book, but it's in digital form. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to select ebook, right? Because we are selling an ebook. You can see at Gumroad, there's so many different options here that you can use to sell your digital products, okay? And then for the price, I'm going to put that at $17, okay? And then the next thing is to customize. So we just click next, right? And then this is where you're going to put your product description. So I'm a bit lazy now, so I'm just going to copy this and just paste it there. But you can go ahead and, create a description in whatever way you want. This credit. Now, this is going to be the URL link. So it's going to be the link that you're going to have in your bio, on social media, or wherever you're selling your product. That's going to be the URL link, okay? And you see that once we're done. Ignore the custom domain. We do not need that. Then in the ebook cover section, I'm going to go ahead and upload the ebook cover. And you can see a preview right here of your listing. So this is how it's coming out nicely. Thumbnail, I'll just ignore that. And then call to action, you can put something like buy this, pay, I want this. I just like to leave it as I want this, right? Okay. And then ignore the other sections. We don't need all that extra there. Let's save and continue. Now, the final thing that we need to do is we need to upload the PDF file that we are going to be selling. Okay, so I've just gone ahead and I've uploaded a random PDF file, from my computer. So as you can see right now, this is just processing the file. And when somebody comes and buys this product, they will automatically be given the link to download this product. So it's only accessible after they've purchased your ebook. Okay, so once you're done, we're just going to publish and continue. And that's literally it. Like, that is literally it. Look at that, guys. It's taken us seconds to upload that digital product for sale on Gumroad. Okay, if you go to the preview right here, you can see this is the link right here. That's the link you're going to have in your bio on social media, the link you're going to be sending people to. And then when they come there, obviously, you're going to have a better product description here. I was just doing it fast for the sake of time. And then when they go ahead and they click, I want this, it's going to take them to a checkout page. Okay, it's going to bring them to a checkout page like so. They're going to key in their details, key in their information, purchase the product, and access the product instantly. Congratulations, you now have a product listed for sale. But there's one missing piece to the puzzle: customers. You need to go out there and get people to actually buy your product. And this is why so many people get stuck. They have a bunch of products ready to sell, but nobody is buying your products because you are lacking the right sales and marketing strategy. This is why you need to check out the Sales Level Up Challenge, guys. This is a 7-day challenge. You can join at any time, and it's going to teach you step by step how to go out there and start attracting customers that are literally begging, okay, to buy your product. If you guys need help selling your digital products or any products at that, it's not only for digital products, you need to jump into the Sales Level Up Challenge. Here's what you're going to learn, guys, in the Sales Level Up Challenge: how to find the perfect buyer who is literally hungry to pay right now, how to come up with the right product offers that people cannot wait to purchase. Because here's the thing, the reason why you are struggling to sell right now is because nobody cares about your product. Okay, you are going to learn how to actually create irresistible offers that people are begging you to buy. How to create a social media marketing strategy that brings you leads who are already sold. Imagine people coming, literally flood into your website, flood into your Gumroad link to buy your products because you already have a strategy that is literally converting them to sales on autopilot. You are going to learn that here. How to sell without selling. No more hot pitches or sliding into people's DMs. That stuff is awkward. Let's not do that in 2025. How to attract high quality followers, right? A lot of people are struggling on social media right now because they have all those followers, but they don't know how to turn those followers into money. And one of the biggest reasons for that is because they have the wrong people following them, right? Which is why they're still not making money. And that could be you right now, right? You have a lot of followers on social media, but nobody's really buying your products for a reason. You are going to gain access to a plug and play content system that saves you hours, and how you can actually create 3 months of money making content, not just any content, money making content in less than 5 minutes. Okay, that's 90 days, 3 months worth of marketing content. People are struggling to make money online because they're just not showing up consistently, because they have no idea what to post. But guess what? By the end of this challenge, you are going to learn how to create not just any content, but money making content that actually gets you sales in less than 5 minutes. 3 months worth of content, guys. This is insane. Okay. And how you can automate your sales using email marketing so you can start making that money on autopilot, and how to scale your business, guys, without working more hours. Because here's the thing: if your business is stuck at just making an extra $1,000 a month, an extra $2,000 a month, and you feel like your business is just stagnant, it's because you do not have a scaling strategy. This is why you need to get on this challenge, because you're going to learn how to scale your business to millions on autopilot without working more hours. Okay, scaling doesn't mean working more hours. You can scale on autopilot, and you are going to learn all that at a Sales Level Up Challenge, guys. If you guys want to get started, I'm going to leave a link below this video. And this is not only perfect for selling digital products, but you can use the same strategies, guys, to sell physical products or any other products that you are selling right now, or even services as well. Okay, so thanks once again for watching my video, and I will see you guys in my next video.